So let us understand for today what is in exactly AZURE. What is in exactly AZURE? What is in exactly AZURE? And how to getting into the AZURE account? And how to create a virtual machine? Let us understand for today. In the last session, what we have understood, what is DevOps? What is DevOps? We understood very clear. But today, what is AZURE? How to create AZURE account? How to create AZURE virtual machine? Let us understand for today. So that is in exactly we are understanding for today's session. Okay. So tell me, so what is infrastructure? First of all, what is an application? As we discussed in the last session, application is nothing but what website, am I right? Application is nothing but what website. But to maintain this website, we required a infrastructure. We required a infrastructure. What kind of infrastructure we required? Servers, networks, storage, database. So these are all major infrastructure is required. From where exactly we can able to get it? How many ways we can able to get infrastructure? How many ways to get infrastructure? Either we can able to get physical environment, virtual environment, or from cloud. But tell me, what is cloud computing as, please? What is in exactly the cloud? What is in exactly the cloud computing? Let us understand. What is the cloud computing? Before understand cloud computing, what is a data center? What is a data center? The huge computing power. The huge computing power. Keeping in a rack wise, we calling as a computing power. Yes, please. It is a data center What is an exactly data center? The huge computing power keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we're calling as a data center. So from this data center, if we can access any resource like servers and network storage over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? A cloud computing. Repeat again, yes, please. What is in exactly the cloud computing, yes, please? The remote placed resources, if we can access. The remote place resources such as servers, network, storage, database, if you can access over internet from your laptop, is nothing but what? Cloud computing. But any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. Any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. Rental based infrastructure. So by using cloud, we are not buying anything. So whatever infrastructure we require, maybe for handling Flipkart or Amazon business, what kind of infrastructure like servers and storage, whatever may be, we are not buying. We are going to be getting a rental infrastructure. Based on usage, we're going to be paying rent. Based on usage, we are going to be paying rent. So let me give an example. For example, you want to go to railway station by car. By car. How many ways we can able to get a car? How many ways we can able to get a car? How many ways we can able to get a car? So many ways. Yeah, we can able to get a rental car or else buying a car. Two ways. You can buy a new car or else rental car, which is easy for you just for reaching railway station. So rental car only. Book a Ola or Uber cab. Getting into the car within 10 minutes, reach you to the railway station, whatever tariff you need to pay. No need to maintain, no need to worry about the car. The same thing here also. For deploying a Flipkart kind of application, what kind of infrastructure is required? We can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud. But which cloud we gonna be learning? So Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure, guys, please. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a Microsoft Azure is a 5 times cheaper than AWS. Why Microsoft Azure? Because of Microsoft Azure is a 5 times cheaper than AWS. Saving through an existing Microsoft license. Saving through an existing Microsoft license. Most of the companies, most of the Fortune companies moving into the Azure. Why? Because so cheaper than AWS. Yeah. So Microsoft Azure is a cloud service provider. It offers various services such as compute, storage, database, network, extra. It is a pay as a go model. It is a pay as a go model. It is the second largest cloud provider in the market. It is a second largest cloud provider in the market. It is a second largest cloud provider in the market. But in the cloud, in Azure cloud, we are going to be learning compute model, networking model, storage model, database model, and identity access management. These are all the models we are going to be learning. And at each and every model we are going to be learning, these are all the services under networking, storage, database, identity access management. But if you want to, if you want to getting into cloud. If you want to getting into the cloud, either we can able to go for Portal, PowerShell, CLI, Rust client. You can choose any one, but so Portal is nothing but what? Graphical user interface. PowerShell is a Windows command, CL is a command line, a Rust client. So either by any one, we can able to authorize, means we can able to logged in by providing username password. We are gonna be an authorized. Once if it is an authorized, then we are gonna be creating a virtual machines. We are gonna be creating a virtual machines, guys. We are gonna be creating a virtual machines, guys. Or else we can go for network storage, whatever maybe. Clear. So shall we try to create an account? But how to create an account? How exactly we can able to create an account? I already share with you a document. Please follow the document. Please follow the document. I think so. Please be redirecting into this. So once if it is redirecting into this link, here is we can find so DevOps content, Azure content, Azure account creation. Please be follow this. Okay. Please be open Azure account creation doc. I will be share this information in the chat box. Please be careful. Please just be double click. Just to be double click. Just to be double click. And it will be open account. Once if it is successfully open, once if it is successfully open account, so please Google it, Azure account creation, guys, please. Azure account creation. Azure account creation, guys, please. Azure account creation, guys, please. Microsoft Azure account creation. So once if it is double click on it, okay, please click on. Please be click on create an account and click on new one. Click on new one. And once if it is click on new one. So provide any working email address, Gmail address. You will receive, please be provide your password. So you will receive a verification code in your email address. Please be provide verification code. Once if it is provide verification code. Once if it is verification code. Once if it is verification code. So please be use this. Please be verify the account and provide your full name, last name, full name, last name. Provide your phone number. Provide your phone number. Provide your phone number. Provide your card details. Any debit, no. It please be provide only credit card details. It's the first 1 month is a so 15,000 rupees free. By helping of this 15,000 rupees of free, we can practice. Don't worry. So provide a credit card, it will verify by deducting 2 rupees. And once if it is verify the payment, you will be landing into this page. Start tour. You will be landing into this page like this. After successfully sign up and sign in, you will be landing into this page. Clear all of you. So once if it is successfully getting into that, so we have a 3 hyphens here, services. So which are all the services offering by? Which are all the services offered by Azure? So these are all the services, analytics. So container, database, DevOps, general, identity, integration. These are all the services they are offered. But I want to use compute. Under computing, these are all the services as a IS, infrastructure as a service. So compute comes under IS, infrastructure as a service. So click on virtual machine. Create a virtual machine. Create a virtual machine. Create a virtual machine. So virtual machine is just like a laptop, which are all the components available. The same components we are gonna be using while creating a server in Azure. Like which are all the components available in your laptop, please? Please. RPC, RAM, CPU, networking, database, sorry, hard disk, firewall, username, password, operating system, and or not in your laptop. These are all the components available or not. The same components you're using here also, but the server is for what? For deploying our application. So please let it be, click on create my resource group hyphen 6am 6am. So let us go for, I want to make this server as what? My virtual machine web server. The reason is what exactly is yours? No infrastructure redundancy. So please be go for Windows. We can go for Windows operating system or Linux operating system, anything. Please be go for with what Windows server. Let us go for standard B1S. It has 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. So what are the username? Anything. I'm going to be providing Azure user. What are the password? You can provide any strongest password. I'm keep on forgetting. That's what I'm keeping it. I am getting from Notepad. Yeah, let it be use this password and confirm password. Yeah, let us go for RDP and HTTP. RDP is nothing but what? So we are going to be logging from Windows to Windows. HTTP is nothing but what? Hypertext transfer protocol. We can access over internet. Click on this networking, management, monitoring, advanced, tags, review, and create. And click on create. And click on. Is this virtual machine is successfully created or not? Please wait. Let it be created. Yeah, is it successfully deployed or not? Once if it is deployed, we can able to getting into this virtual machine. See here, we can see the complete information about our virtual machine, the complete details about our virtual machine. Yes, by helping of this public IP, we can able to log in from a laptop. So please search for what RDP. By default option is this. So by default, this feature is available in a laptop, remote desktop. Please be open RDP and just to be paste an extension with what 338 and let it be connected and choose another, choose different and whatever username we given Azure user and password, what are the password which was given, please be provided. Yeah, shall we getting into this virtual machine? Yes, we can able to getting into this virtual machine. Can we able to getting or not? So today what we are understand, please. What is Azure? What is Azure cloud? And how to create Azure account, how to getting into that, how to create a virtual machine, and how to getting into the virtual machine also we are understood for today. Yeah, Harpreet Singh, do you have any question? Any questions up to this point? Try one more time, just to be double click. Don't copy paste, just to be double click. Just to be double click, it will be open like this. And click on continue, just be double click. Can you try one more time? If you have already created account, it's good. Can you respond with me? Have you successfully opened a link or not? Okay, so if it is getting into the server, for example, let's say I don't want this machine. I don't want this virtual machine. I don't want this. What I need to do, please, instead of deleting virtual machine, I'm going to be deleting resource group. If you delete this resource group, everything will be deleted. You can't delete. You can't. Is it a deleting or not? Is it a deleting or not? Yeah. Guys, yeah. So Harpreet Singh. So I think so you understood very clearly. So anyway, so we'll continue by tomorrow. Tomorrow our friends will be joined. Okay, tomorrow onwards we're gonna be start our regular sessions. Okay, tomorrow onwards we're gonna be start our regular sessions with Active Directory will start storage, networking, database. These things we will be discussed. Don't worry. Okay. So yeah, any questions from your end? Yeah, thanks, Harpreet Singh. Don't worry. So not only you only one person. So one more 5 to 6 people are there. So we will be continue our classes from tomorrow onwards, regular sessions. Okay, thank you.